Director Aki Kaurismäki, tragicomedy Fallen Lips, set in Helsinki, premiered on Monday at Cannes Film Festival. The Finnish filmmaker was last in the competition for the Palme d'Or in 2011, with the equally outstanding film Les Havre. According to Deadline, after winning multiple awards at the festival over the years, Kaurismäki only came close to winning the prestigious Palme d'Or, The Man Without a Past, 2002. According to The Guardian, Kaurismäki, the master of humor, is famous for being one of the rare individuals who makes hilarious films that is actually funny. With Finnish actors Alma Poisti and Jussi Vatanen in the lead roles, Fallen Lips runs 1 hour and 21 minutes, and it was produced by Finland's Sputnik Oy and Bufo Oy, as well as Germany's Pandora Film Production. Now let me tell you something about the film plots. As per Deadline, at his romantic best, Kaurismäki Fallen Lips tells the story of two strangers who met by chance in a Helsinki karaoke bar, leading to a star-crossed relationship. Alma Posti and Jussi Vatanen play an unknown couple, but it is destined from the moment they share glances. The Deadline claims that the film is presented in Kaurismäki's trademark style of a deadpan dialogue delivered accurately by his carefully chosen actors. Moreover, the director is a keen observer of human behavior. Film critic Jonathan Rooney suggests while Fallen Lips might not attract new followers, the worldwide prospect for a director with one of the most committed fan bases in the art world remains as strong as ever. Thank you for watching. My name is Sanders, and I will see you in the next video with something more interesting. Till then, stay safe.